A beautiful day begins with a cup of coffee in the morning. I would like to put a different me in the record every day. It is my best buddy. Folding is more convenient to carry. One click to take off. Operate easily. Light flow positioning. Stable hover. Not just the lace in the home, also the record of my outdoor enthusiasm. 4K HD wide-angle camera make the record more clearly. Dual camera switching. Searching for the different me with different angles. With intelligent follow function, it can go anywhere I go. With fixed point route planning, I decide where I want to go. 360-degree surround shot. No matter where I stay, it can capture every second of my life. Smart return. Safer return. Trun Left Pro. It is my best buddy.